Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add friends on 8-Ball Pool. Adding friends on 8-Ball Pool is super easy. First of all, launch open the 8-Ball Pool application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of 8-Ball Pool, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the 3 human icon. Now, you can add friends via Facebook, with unique ID, or from the suggested friends list. To add friends from your Facebook, you can simply go ahead and connect your account to Facebook, and you will then be able to see your friends automatically synced in from your Facebook. Once connected, your Facebook friends who play 8-Ball Pool will appear in your in-game friends list automatically. You can also go to the top of the screen and tap on Suggested Friends tab. Go ahead and find the friend that you'd like to add, and then tap on the Add Friend button to add them as your friend. Once they accept your request, you will then be able to see them in your friends list. You can also add friends via unique ID. Tap on the Add by Unique ID button in orange at the bottom right, and then in the search box, type in the unique ID of your friend or their username, and you can also be able to find your friends like this. Simply go ahead and find the friend you want to add and tap on the Add Friend button right next to their profile. And that way you can easily send friend requests on 8-Ball Pool. If someone adds you or accepts your request, you can then see them inside your Friends tab. That is how you easily add friends on 8-Ball Pool. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more videos like this. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.